Hey, this is Bloodham, and today I'm going to be talking about some math. This is some math that I use um, while playing Atlas Reactor. I find it pretty interesting and uh, pretty useful. Um, so the kind of math it is it's called game theory, and I know that the Atlas Reactor community is not the most mathematically inclined, probably, just like the rest of the world. So this is game theory for non-experts. Um, so a few weeks ago, I wrote a 5-page document with the same title, um, and shared it with a few people. It wasn't very widely spread, and the feedback I got, and certainly what you know, from just reading it, you could tell that it wasn't the most accessible thing in the world. And one bit of advice I got from Console was that I should record some videos that talk about the stuff that I talk about in the document, and that would be much easier to understand. So I agree. Thank you, Console. Um, so this is gonna be a series of videos about game theory. Um, the series is gonna be broken up into roughly 3 parts. So not 3 videos, but each part is gonna have several videos in it. So the first part is gonna be theory. So when I say theory, I mean I'm going to be talking about definitions, uh, which come up a lot in game theory, which you need to be able to talk about anything of substance. Also, some facts about these concepts that we're going to be talking about, and why those facts are true. So, definitions, theorems, and proofs. Um, and that's going to be a little bit hard to digest. It's all going to be true, but what it means is going to be maybe a little bit confusing at first. Maybe it's not going to be clear why we really care. So part two is going to try and discuss this. It's going to be a discussion. So this is going to be I'm going to give me examples throughout, and they're going to be talking about what you should take away from the facts that we've stated about the things that we've defined. Maybe also some fun real world anecdotes I've got in mind that I can talk about. And then part three is going to be problems. So I could also call this examples, but what we're going to do is we're going to take complicated situations from Atlas Reactor and from other games, and well, I mean not that complicated, but a little bit complicated. Um, and we're going to use the tools that we've developed to analyze the situations and determine, what the best move is in some sense. I mean, we're going to figure out, depending on your assumptions, what you should do in those situations. And so this really shows you how to use the things that we've talked about. And overall, this is quite a bit of stuff, but hopefully broken down, it should be pretty digestible. And again, this is all written up in text in some document, which I'll link below. And if you prefer that format, you can just read that. Again, it's 5 pages, but it's fairly dense 5 pages. All right, well, I'll see you next video.